Good afternoon, class. It's time for our Wednesday social studies. On Tuesday, we learned about the Willis Tower. Today, in Lesson 2, Section 6, we will learn about Mount Rushmore. Has anyone ever been to Mount Rushmore? You know, like the big memorial with all the presidents' heads carved in? Well, if you continue to watch the videos and read with me, you'll learn more.
Just like this. Let's go. Hello, friend. It is time to have fun with learning. Are you ready? I sure am, because today I have fun facts about Mount Rushmore for kids. When looking around the world and thinking of cool places to travel, one of the top tourist sites to visit here in the United States is Mount Rushmore. Have you ever heard of Mount Rushmore? It is okay if you have not, because I've got some fun facts about the memorial for you. Mount Rushmore is a huge memorial with the faces of President George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Theodore Roosevelt, and Thomas Jefferson carved into the side of a mountain. If you are trying to find Mount Rushmore, it is located 25 miles from Rapid City in the Black Hills of South Dakota. In order to make a memorial of this size, it takes a lot of time and hard work. Actually, it took over 14 years and 400 men to help carve the former president's faces into the side of that mountain. Another interesting fact about Mount Rushmore is how much it cost to make the memorial. It is said that it took almost $1 million to produce the memorial, and when creating the iconic memorial, not one worker died while working in very dangerous conditions. When looking at the faces of the former presidents, they are huge. The faces on the memorial are over 60 feet tall. Of course, putting their faces on the side of a mountain was not easy. In order to create Mount Rushmore, they had to blast the mountain, moving over 450,000 tons of rock. Taking a little time to get down into the details of the presidents' faces on Mount Rushmore, a fun fact about the memorial is George Washington has the biggest nose out of all the presidents. The nose on George Washington is 21 feet in length, while the rest of the former presidents have noses that are approximately 20 feet in length. If you are thinking who came up with the idea to create Mount Rushmore, you could thank Doane Robinson. Doane Robinson came up with the idea to create Mount Rushmore as a way to attract tourists to come and visit South Dakota. After a lot of hard work, the memorial was completed on August 10, 1927. Then President Calvin Coolidge had the honor of dedicating Mount Rushmore and was even there for the beginning of demolition. The memorial was finally deemed complete and ready for dedication by October 31, 1941. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about a national memorial with fun facts about Mount Rushmore for kids. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I hope you had fun learning with F-R-E-S-B-E-R-G cartoon.
In Lesson 2, Section 6, on page 27, we'll be talking about Mount Rushmore. I'll read to you guys or with you guys. Please make sure you're following along. Look at the faces carved into this mountain. Do you recognize any of them? These faces also appear on coins and dollar bills. Mount Rushmore shows the faces of 4 famous U.S. presidents. The faces are 60 feet high. It took 14 years to carve them. Many people visit this landmark to take pictures with these faces every year. Mount Rushmore is in the state of South Dakota. South Dakota is west of the Mississippi River. It is east of the Rocky Mountains. Do you live east or west of the Rocky Mountains? The faces of the 4 U.S. presidents are carved in Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. Can you name any of these presidents? So, this is a nice looking memorial that they carved, which took a whole lot of time as we've read. So we're going to get straight into our worksheet, and we're going to talk about some different things. Guys, can close your books. Make sure you look into your Wednesday folders and take out this sheet that says Mount Rushmore. Guys can pause or stop the video. I'll give you a couple minutes. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to get my name on the top of the paper. So this sheet is a little different. The directions say, choose 4 people you know to put on your personal Mount Rushmore. Draw them on the monument and write a sentence to say why they should be honored there. So here are the faces. We can do this together. There are 4 faces. So everyone should be different. I'm going to do one with you as an example and write my 4 people. So the people I choose, the first one would be my mom. I am nowhere near an artist, guys, so bear with me. I'm going to give my mom a ponytail. I'm color it in. So the first person I choose is my mom. They should be on the Mount Rushmore. They should be on Mount Rushmore because she is selfless, which means she cares so much about everyone else and a little less about herself. She'll take care of everyone before she takes care of herself. The second person I would choose is my aunt. Her name, well, my mom's name is Nidra, guys. I'll put her name there. The second person is my aunt. Her name is Sheila. As you guys are listening to mine, you guys should be thinking about what 4 people you would choose. You remember, it does not have to be perfect. However you guys make your people is fine. We are not judging them at all. I'll make her with just some hair down. I'll give her a bang too, a curly one, okay? The second person I choose is my Aunt Sheila. They should be on Mount Rushmore because she is super strong. Period. Let's make sure we're using our complete sentences. The third person I choose is my daughter Soraya. I'm gonna give her some curly hair down. She doesn't really look like this, guys. This picture does not do justice for her at all. The third person I choose is Soraya. I put daughter next to it. Sorry, I should have put daughter first. They should be on Mount Rushmore because she is super brave. The fourth person I choose is my best friend. Her name is Brianna. I'm gonna give her a pony. This doesn't do justice for her either, guys. Her name is Brianna. They should be on Mount Rushmore because she is one of the most, I'm gonna come down here, positive people I know. Period. Alright guys, we did this together. I used my mom, she's selfless. My aunt, she's super strong. My daughter Soraya, she's super brave. My best friend, she's positive. You guys can use any of the 4 people that you would like to use. And when you're done, please put it back in your Wednesday folder. Thank you.